Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Level, gear score, and remaining stamina, those determine queue priority. Once done, choose your role deliberately. The system favors balanced parties. Make sure to open the raid finder and apply filters for difficulty, time window, and region so you don't wait for wrong matches. If you want faster placement, toggle flexible difficulty and accept cross-server. This increases pool size. Now click Join and watch queue timers. Stay online and don't change zone, because disconnects reset your spot. Once queued, optimize speed by broadening constraints. Enable cross-server and flexible roles so the system has more candidates. If you can, queue during slightly off-peak or stagger by 5 to 10 minutes to hit waves of forming groups. Make sure your consumables and loadout are preset so you can accept an invite immediately. Also, watch party chat and respond fast. People skip idle invitees. If you use a Premade, ping on external chat or guild channels to pull extra members. Invitations cut searching time sharply. When an invite appears, accept immediately and confirm fight role and simple strategy so the raid starts without delay. Once in, assign off-tank and emergency heals, then begin targeted pulls. Quick starts reduce aborts. If the match breaks or someone disconnects repeatedly, widen filters, switch to a needed role, or requeue at a slightly different time. If the client stalls, relog only after 5 minutes. Short relogs clear stale queue entries and usually restore faster matching. That single troubleshooting tweak saves you time overall.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.